I'm RVA Hiker Girl, and today I'm at Blackrock Summit for a sunrise hike this morning. Isn't she beautiful? Just coming up over the mountains. So just arrived to the parking lot. Got up about 3:30 this morning. So it's about 6 o'clock right now. Sunrise is supposed to be about 6:35. So we wanted to get up to the summit to watch the sun come up. So the light that you're seeing right now is just from the car light. So if I were to turn around like over this way, away from the car light, you see how dark? It's really dark out here. So I wanted you guys to see me. So I had the car lights on. So all right, gonna go check out what it looks like up there. The very top of this Boulder Field. And there's part of the trail that goes right there. And while I can't show you where the trail is down below, the Boulder Field goes way down there, but you won't be able to see it until I get back down on the trail. So if you like bouldering and climbing up rocks, this is the place to come. So that's above where the trail is, and then this goes down below. So this is going a few tenths of a mile down the Spur Trail, which connects right at the summit of Blackrock. We're just going down a couple of tenths of a mile to look at some of these rocks. Pretty neat. So the Spur Trail takes you to another Boulder Field. It looks like this. And you can see it just keeps going down there. So just finishing up this little trail. Ended up being 1.2 miles, and didn't realize because it was dark when we first got here, but you're actually on the AT going up to the top of the summit, and then you take the I think it's called the Spur Trail, about 0.2 to go see some cool rock formations. And then you loop around, and on the way back, you're going to take the Trayfoot Mountain Trail, which is substantially wider, but super easy hike. It's only 180 feet in elevation gain, so great trail for kids and people who just want to start out hiking. But the boulder fields are so cool. If you've never seen a boulder field before and you like climbing boulders and rock scrambling and stuff, a lot of fun. You could be up there for hours climbing on boulders if you want to. But anyway, all right guys, well thanks so much for joining me on my vlog on this hike, and I'll see you next time on another hike.